Hello students, let's learn natural resources. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ग्रेड 10th का बहुत इजी एक्सप्लेनेशन आज हम करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज पे। व्हाट आर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज? नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज क्या होते हैं? नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर द थिंग्स वी गेट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम नेचर। नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वो होते हैं जो डायरेक्टली नेचर से आते हैं, दैट ह्यूमन्स यूज़ फॉर लिविंग, मेकिंग प्रोडक्ट एंड डेवलपमेंट। They exist without human effort. Example: sunlight, water, forest, minerals. Let's see types of natural resources. Number 1, renewable resources. Number 2, non-renewable resources. Number 3, biotic resources. Number 4, abiotic resources. Renewable resources. These resources can be replaced or recreated naturally in a short time. Example: sunlight, wind, water, plants, animals. They do not get finished easily. Non-renewable resources. These resources take millions of years to form. So once they finish, they cannot be replaced easily. Example: coal, petroleum, natural gas, minerals. They can get exhausted. Biotic resources. These come from living things: forest, animals, fish, humans. Abiotic resources. These come from non-living things like water, air, soil, minerals, sunlight. Distribution of resources. Resources are not equally distributed on earth. Example: Medalist, more petroleum; in India, more iron ore and coal. This unequal distributions affects economic and development. Conservation of natural resources. Why conserve? Because many resources are limited and may finish. Methods: reduce, reuse, recycle. 3Rs: use public transport, save water and electricity, plant more trees, use renewable energy. Why are natural resources important? Natural resources important because they have us in building houses, producing electricity, making food, manufacturing goods, transportation, economic development.